Hey, what's up guys? This is Lara and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we will be reviewing two Logitech cameras, the C270 and the C922. So if you want to check these products out, then keep on watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell for more future videos. Now, because of the pandemic, everything is transitioning into the digital world. May it be for online classes, work, meetings, webinars, conferences, lahat online na. Even businesses today are online, shops, and etc. And being a tech-savvy myself, I'm really excited to make these videos to help you find the right products for you because me myself, I'm very meticulous about these products. Maarte ako when it comes to purchasing stuff because it costs money and I make sure na sulit and magagamit and worth its price yung product. So today we will be talking about two Logitech cameras. One is the Logitech C270. And the other one is the Logitech C922. I bought this one because C920 is running out of stock. And medyo masakit sa loob ko. Pero let's check. 100 pesos difference lang kasi siya dun sa C920. And yun nga, out of stock na yung C920. So I went with this one. Medyo natagalan ako maghanap ng shop. Because one, there is a Chinese version of this one. But I want the original one. Luckily, I found Overdose online shop in Shopee. So, they're the direct supplier of Logitech Philippines. And sabi dun sa product and dun sa mga reviews na 11 out of 10 legit daw yung product nila. And yun, nakalagay na hindi Chinese yung nakasulat sa box. So, let's see if it is legit. They also gave me a freebie. Yes, it's a cable strap. Kung magets kung bakit siya na. And the C9270, hiniram ko lang sa friend kong teacher na si Sir Mark. So, thank you for letting me review this product. Yun. So, you open... Ooh! This is the Logitech C922. Very simple design. It's black. It has this lens and a Logi brand to it, label to it, and it's 1080p. So let's get our money's worth. Oh, because I bought a pro live stream camera, so I have split X license. Na feeling ko kapatid ko yung gagamit nito. Yes! It comes with a tripod, so if you don't want to hook it in your laptop, you can always put it here. Hindi kasi sa akin to, so hindi ko tinatanggal yung plastic. Pero this is the Logitech 270 and this is the Logitech C922. Okay, size mas malaki ng konti itong C922, kaya siguro siya naka-tripod. So you can put it in the tripod. Etong C270 is perfect for students and siguro work if medyo magaan lang naman on the streaming or video cam side yung work mo. While this C922 is perfect for work na, for example, virtual assistant and also for streamers, game streamers, live music streamers, which is nagsistream ako online sa sessionslive.com. So, gusto nyo akong panoorin, go there. And C270 is 720p with 30 frames per second. And then this C922 is 1080p with 30 frames per second and 720p with 60 frames per second. So, what's the difference? 720 and 1080 are resolutions. Ibig sabihin kung gaano kalinaw ang isang video. While the frames per second is how smooth the movement in a video. Like, for example, mas makikita mo or parang real life, mas realistic kapag mas mataas yung frames per second. Differences with the field of view, this C270 has 60 degrees, while this C922 has 78 degrees. So, mas malaki yung view ng C922 compared as C270. So, when it comes with audio capture, C270 has a mono microphone while C922 has stereo microphone, which means this one, mono, means one. Isa lang yung source niya or parang source niya ng audio capture. Unlike this one, dalawa, left and right, kaya siya stereo. So, technically, mas buo yung sound compare sa isa lang yung sources ng sound. And last, this C922 has autofocus capabilities. Anyway guys, so let's test these two webcams out. I'm just gonna set it up and I'll see you later. This is the Logitech C922, the C270, and this one is my X85 Fujifilm camera. And I've already set it up in OBS. Okay, this is my cam. This is my microphone, Samsung CO1 USB condenser microphone. Alright guys, so we are recording. I've set up 3 different cameras. Yeah, on the right side is, I don't know right or left, but on this side, this is this Logitech C270, and on my left side is C922. Syempre, right off the bat, mas malinaw, mas HD looking yung C922, and as you can see, mas maraming nakikitang background compare C270. So, another difference ng Logitech C920 sa C9270 is the autofocus. Tatry natin sa Logitech C270. Wala siyang autofocus, guys. So, pag nilapit mo yung product. Ito yung DSLR ko. Ako pa yung nag-adjust. So, hindi siya auto. Ako kasi yung nag-adjust. Hindi, mahirap siya yung ko. Alam mo yung mga ganito? Oh, yan. So, now, let's try sa C920. Alright. Asan na? Catch up! Oh, ayan. So, ito again. Nag-ano siya. Overall, guys, if you wanted a more professional looking web camera, I think the Logitech C922 is the one for you, especially if you want to do some streaming. So, kapag nagla-live stream kasi or webcam, syempre nade-degrade siya. I mean, nababawasan yung resolution ng output, video out. Or if you're gonna do some videos for YouTube na gusto mo para siyang SLR, feeling ko malapit-lapit na sila eh. My mirrorless DSLR and my Logitech C922. So, if you're gonna do like tutorials in a camera like this, or you're gonna stream online, I believe Logitech C922 would be a nice choice for you guys. And dun sa mga not really very meticulous about the definition, the resolution, the frames per second, I think kung kailangan nyo talaga for schooling, dun tayo mag-start dun tayo sa C270, which is very nice for a camera. For me, it's really nice. So, I think that's it, guys. I'm very happy with my Logitech C922. Hopefully, this video helped you decide if you're gonna buy the C270 or Logitech C922. And for more future videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye!